Man, it came out perfect. And that's the hack for a poached egg in the microwave. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. I've opened my egg. I'm going to go ahead and run it through a strainer to get the excess water off the sides of the egg. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and put the egg into a 1/3 cup of water. We just used a coffee cup. And we're going to go over to the microwave, and we're going to set the microwave for 40 to 50 seconds. All right, we've made our way over to the microwave, and we're going to go ahead and set it in here. I think I'm going to set this maybe around 50 seconds. We'll get back with you once it comes out. Go ahead and take it out and see what happened. Okay, we made our way back with the egg from the microwave, and boy, it looks perfect. We're going to take a slotted spoon, and we're going to go ahead and get the egg out, put it on a paper towel, give it a chance to, oh, it looks perfect. Okay, then from there, I've gotten I went ahead and toasted a English muffin that I wanted to put it on. And we've got it there like that. Look how pretty that looks. Put a little salt on it. And then we'll go in for the kill. Let me grab a knife here. And we're going to go ahead and give it a cut. And let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Man, it came out perfect. And that's the hack for a poached egg in the microwave.